Hi family, thank God it is another beautiful day, guys. Like always, same place, same time. I'm always, guys, bring you the value. So, guys, today we are going to center onto cryptocurrency. Why, guys? My audience, reach me out and ask me, guys. Raymond, if you could be able to just continue, just tell us and give us the detailed information on how we can be able to jump onto this bandwagon, guys. You know, guys, uh, before I get a dive into, let me first introduce myself. For those people who they kind of like really don't know me, guys, I'm a father, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm work full time online, guys. And I go by the name of Raymond, guys. Let's go and dive into our discussion, guys. Why cryptocurrency, guys? Guys, this it is a friend of trend right now. If you just wanna or you're interested with money and finance, and you just wanna invest into multiple market and diversify your capital, your investment is, this is the right track for you to start looking into it, guys, because it is a new trend into money and finance, guys. There is a value if you just put it in or you just invest in. There is a chance that you can appreciate your investment. You can double your investment, 10x, 50x, even 100x, guys. So even though it is very complex for average individual to get a dive into and understanding how it is working, guys, what it require for you to do, you gotta devote your time, guys, because you gotta need to learn, because there is a ton of information involving this trend, guys, involving this business, guys. So if you are, you kind of like not willing to start to learn, the necessary skills, what it takes for you to be able to involve yourself and win big into this industry, guys. you know I don't think if you could make it, but you just needed to devote your time. So you gotta be willing to learn the um, skill set, what it takes for you to get it diving in a very smooth way, guys, because with this business that I'm telling you, guys, there is so many opportunity into it, and there is so many ways you can be just able to invest, and there is so many opportunity inside of it, guys. I'll just share a few of it to start with. You can be able to trade, how you it is possible to trade with cryptocurrency, guys. If you do have background with a forex trading, or you do have a trading skill, also you can be able to trade crypto into different platform that offer services into trading space. So you can trade it with a market, and you can just bet on your way, whether you are bullish or you're bear. You can do whatever thing that you want to do with the market, but the company that it is into financial market, especially into crypto space, it is the one that can link you with the market, guys, so that you can use your expertise, your knowledge, um, to get to tap income out of it, guys. And I remember, guys, it is very high risk, and the market itself is very volatile, guys. There is a very high volatility to the marketplace, to the entire crypto space. So for you to make money, it will just depend with your skill, your effort, and you're willing to learn, guys. There is a high chance that you can lose all of your money, guys. uh, no guarantee whatsoever at all in this business, guys, or into this industry. Yeah, it's possible for you to ruin your income, ruin your capital. So that's why I'm just saying this, guys, like my disclaimer. So for you to be able to tap income out of this industry, guys, you gotta need to equip yourself with the necessary skill set that it's required for you to being able to dominate your game, guys. Those are the things that you can be able to do. So we have seen in trading, you can trade it with financial markets, or you can just trading by using P2P, right? So you can trade it within the system, the company, or the platform that you just joined. It's kind of like a created like a escrow account for you to being able to settle transaction with the other individual within the system. So you can trade and make a profit, guys. You can buy and selling, or you can just sell it, or you can just buy, or whatever. So here it depends of how you do it, guys. You can buy low and sell it higher, such a thing like that. That's it, guys. In a trading side as well, there is DeFi, decentralized finance, guys. Within this system, guys, or within cryptocurrency, guys, there is a room for you to add your money as a liquidity into decentralized exchange, so that you can as well be able to any income out of the fees, where people they do exchange within decentralized exchange. So also you can just making money out of that, guys. You can make money as well in decentralized finance uh, via staking. You can put your money. It is staking is just similar with kind of like a fixed deposit to the traditional banking industry, guys. So you can stake your crypto, and you can earn percentage out of it for certain number of time. You can stake for 24 hours, a week, a year. That's it, guys. That is the staking. So as well, you can just investing into a low cap cryptocurrency, or you can just put your money to a low value crypto. There are so many low value crypto to the entire space. There is I would just mention the few, like a Ripple, Doji, uh, and so many other, guys. So this you can just go within the exchange, purchase it, because they are just under low value, and hold it for a dear life, and you can just hold it into your non-custodian wallet, guys. For those people who they kind of like don't know what is a non-custodian wallet, guys, non-custodian wallet are those wallet in the crypto space where an individual own private key. And in crypto, guys, there is this phrase we used to say, uh, not your a private key, not your crypto, guys. So what I mean by that, guys, make sure that you put your asset, your crypto, into exchanger where you own your private key, because a lot of exchanger out there, they you cannot be able to own your private key. Or a lot of wallet people, they put their asset, they don't own their private key. So it is very high risk, you know to put your asset, your crypto, into those wallet which are custodian wallet. Why? You don't own your private key, so in case of anything, you might lose your asset. So from today on, check it out for yourself where you put your asset, your crypto. If you are not putting it into non-custodian wallet, switch it today. Send your crypto into non-custodian wallet. There is a popular wallet which are non-custodian wallet like a MetaMask, Trusty Wallet. Those are the two which are very user friendly and are very popular. So you can just go online and download it on your desktop or on your mobile phone, and then you can have it and set it out, and make sure that once you set it out your non-custodian wallet, let's say MetaMask wallet or um, Trusty Wallet, don't share, right? Don't share your private key with anybody, guys. If you do, you will lose your asset, guys. So that's it, guys. Cryptocurrency, guys, or right now as we are speaking, it is a friend of friend. Just go online, there is a multiple information, there is a multiple source. You can just go and lead for yourself, guys, for you to knowledge yourself and be comfortable on how you can put your money in and then reap the benefit out of it, guys. So that's that, guys. If you find value to this video, guys, below this video there is a subscribe button. Just go and hit subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, guys. Why? Whenever that I'm just uploading new video, whenever that I'm uploading various information, guys, you'll be the first guy to get it notified by YouTube, guys. So I'm looking for a guide to share more information with you. It is me, your boy Raymond. Thank you.